Thanks. This way?
Ooh.
Hey, Gino, I'm here.
Rumi, you look so bright.
Thanks. Look, these are our schools. I'm heading to the fluffy one. Bye-bye.
And I'll go to the cardboard one.
I'm tracing the outline. Aha. Great, let's see. Purple? Nah, it blends with your hair. Green? Too neon. Yellow? Nope. Rumi would look like a chick. My hat will work perfectly. Can I take this? Pop. Oh yes, it turned into 2 pieces. The first will be a top. I just need something to fasten it. Velcro. Perfect. Aha. We'll need to change the doll's clothes later. Shorts don't match at all. Snip. The second piece will be a skirt. I want it fluffy, so I'm stitching and gathering it. Let's try it on. Add a tulle petticoat. I'm gluing warm leg warmers. New boots on the feet. Pieces of rainbow fur. Perfect. I'll decorate with ribbons and bows. And cute little pom-poms. Final bright touches and ta-da! And ears too. What an adorable fluffy bunny. I love it. Wait, how did that happen?
Whoa.
We entered different schools. Oh, my school is so cool. Whee, everything is so soft and fluffy. The floor and the walls. Wow, what an awesome backpack. Let me see it up close. No way. What's inside? I don't know. Inside, butterflies. Wow!
Whoa! Wow, a backpack with butterflies? I don't even have one yet.
Hey, check your locker.
What's in there?
Your future backpack. I'll need some corrugated cardboard. I'll draw here. Oh, the pen won't work. Hey! Oh well, it'll draw itself. This is the plan for the future backpack. Carefully cut the pieces along the outline. Just like that.
Don't touch the lines inside.
That's very important. Take this out. Yep. And remove the extra cardboard. Great, now we fold along the lines. Easy peasy, we just need to assemble it. I apply glue and attach the back panel. What about the flap? Velcro goes here. We still need pockets. Where's my super cutter? The pockets will be super shiny. Whoosh! Now I cut with scissors. Snip here, snip there. Hey, tap like if you want to see the result faster. Great, almost done. Now we fold and glue on the pockets. Awesome! What should I use for the straps?
Hey, I found some cardboard strips.
Look at that.
Oh, you're a genius. Attach 1, 2. A little plain though, right? Let's add color. Pop! I'll make the flap blue too. Final touches. Ta-da! Extra charm. A kitty-shaped backpack. Catch!
Ouch! Yay, here it is. Whoa, so cool, dude.
Oh.
It looks like Derpy. Or is it just me?
Want to see what's inside the backpack?
Oh, something grabbed me. Just kidding, it's a pencil.
Super!
A ball. Here you go, buddy. Ooh, lockers for stuff. What? I'll put those away.
Hey!
Yes, ma'am. I'll take them out later. Phew, I thought he'd pull out the entire classroom furniture.
Then I'll pull out my sponge. Oh, better roll over to me. Got it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Great sponge. I'll turn it into a desk for Rumi, cutting it into 2 halves. Perfect. They look like patties. Pop, let's grill burgers. Now I need to trim the edges, like this, shaping them. And we get a backrest and a seat. I'll wrap them with fur. Pop, now it's super fluffy and soft. I'll wrap it with fluffy yarn. Nah, that takes too long. Come on, hop in. Oh, that's better. I bend the straws and voila! Fix the seat in place, attach the backrest, and an armrest. I want even more fluff. Aha, got it. Gluing it so everything stays secure. The desk turned out so cute. I'll take it to the classroom right away. Rumi, take a seat. Oh, a desk. Wow, it's amazing. Thanks, I tried. I have a fluffy desk too. Our fluffy classroom is so cool. Wow. Let me help. Let's start the lesson, girls.
Yeah.
Yellow plus red equals…
Huh?
Blue?
Oops.
I know the answer. It's orange.
Yes.
Well done. A+. Yay! I'm so happy. Wow, Rumi, you're so smart. Thanks, besties. Hey, Ginu, what are you doing here?
These desks are awesome. I want one too.
Hey!
Are we using cups?
Yep, and the cup holder too. I'm cutting it with a knife. The seat looks a little unhappy. Put it at the bottom of the cup. Meanwhile, I'll cut some cardboard pieces. Nice and carefully, I attach them to the seat. A strip on top. Wow, that looks really neat. Oh, and here will be a shelf. I'll decorate it. Coloring with markers. Whee, so cute. A smiley face. Hey, Ginu, it's all ready.
Wow, this is the coolest desk ever.
Hurry back to class.
Hey guys, check out my awesome desk. Guys?
Hey!
Backpacks are here, but nobody's around.
What?
Where did everyone go?
Huh?
Hey, I heard something.
What?
Let's toss a paper airplane at him. That'll be awesome! Where could they be? Hey, where did this come from?
Seriously?
A paper airplane.
Wow.
Found you.
Take your seats, class. We're starting the lesson.
Hey, you. Already here, miss.
Yeah.
By the way, cool desk, bro. Thanks.
Ahem. What do you think? Is the Earth flat or round? The globe is flat, so the Earth must be too.
Look. That's just a cardboard globe.
Wow, what an interesting question. Write your answer in the comments. It's lunchtime. I'll make a fluffy box for Rumi. Cutting a oh, where are you going? I said, cutting a floaty. Yes, like that. Great, now I've got two halves. I place them on fluffy fabric and trace them with a little extra space. Cut it out. Apply glue along the edge. Carefully. And fold it over. Perfect. I join the two halves. See, it opens and closes. Now we'll add fabric inside. Perfect. I'll stitch one side with thread. Awesome. Should we add frosting to our donut? Fluffy yarn. Wow, it looks like real icing. Nice, it only needs sprinkles. I'll cut them from colorful foam sheets. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Done. Time to fill the lunchbox with tasty treats. Rumi is getting an amazing snack. Closing it isn't so easy. Oh, got it. Enjoy your meal.
No way, is that a lunchbox?
What?
And where's mine?
Relax, it'll be ready in a minute. All right, I'll need this glitter tape and bright cardboard. I apply glue to the side, just like that. Press it down. Yep, it's stuck. Cut along the outline. I made 2 circles. Pop. Now we have a lid and a box. Attach the hinges. Fancy cutter to the workshop. I slice the cardboard into strips. More, more, more. Hi, what are you making? Oh, you're just the helper I need. Mira, roll this into a ball. Easy peasy. Great, just what I needed. Oops. I need one more. I'll make it. Hop, hop. You're a true friend. Nice, they turned into cherries. Now they need a stem. Let's cut it out. Can I do it? Ta-da! Good job. I roll a strip into a tube and bend it in half. Pop. And a leaf. Let's add some decoration. I already finished everything. Oh, so independent. Ginu, this is for you.
Oh, whoa, thanks.
Wow.
Let's eat.
Hey. What do I have inside? A can of sardines? That's it?
Poor thing. Tough luck. Meanwhile, Rumi has a whole pile of goodies. Wow, amazing. Thanks. I know what to do. Ginu, help yourself.
Whoa, thank you.
Are we already flying? Finally! You can't stand during takeoff. Oh, right! Buckle up.
Hey, you.
We're going into the sky. Have a great flight. I'll need this. You can't go on vacation without a floaty. I cut the bottom off a paper cup. Slice it into narrow strips. Gently flatten them. Now it looks like a little sun. Oh, hello, Mr. Duck. Hey, give it back. I need that. I curled the strips around a pencil. It turned into a donut. Do you also spend forever finding the end of the tape? Oh, found it. I cover everything with tiny pieces all over. Perfect. Color it with markers. And here's my delivery. Thanks. Just what I needed. Cut corrugated cardboard into ribbons. A craft knife works great for this. I roll the pieces into tiny rings. Attach them to the floaty. I'll add a tail to the body and cute eyes to the head. Wow, it's a little turtle. Baby, this is for you.
Oh, wow, thank you. I want to get in the pool right now.
Yeah.
Wow, awesome.
So cool.
Super cool.
Swim, swim. Hey, there's a water park here. Oh, for sure.
Yay, a water park. Come on, let's go. Forward toward the sun and the pool.
Where is it?
Huh?
Seriously?
So where's the pool?
What?
Looks like the plane saved money on size.
And this is the water park they promised?
You're kidding, right?
I guess we're not swimming today.
We need help ASAP. What happened? The pool is way too tiny. Well, let's fix that. I need corrugated cardboard. Glue it into a circle. Trace the bottom. Cut it out with a craft knife. Easy. This piece will come in handy later. I attach all the parts together. Time to take the curlers out for the next step. I'll turn them into a soft slide. Secure them to the tower. Wrap half of it in fluffy fabric. Decorate with looped yarn. I'll color the cardboard part with markers. Make a wavy edge. I cut paper cups with scissors. Connect them together. Make slits on the sides. Now it's a cardboard slide. I coat the inside with acrylic. Cover the edges with straws. Fill the pool with pom-poms and paper confetti. All that's left is to add the ladders.
Oh, wow, I'm first. Guys, climb in. It's awesome here.
Hey! Wow!
Cool, so high up.
I'm sliding first. Woohoo! Oops, Zoe got stuck on the fluffy slide. Help!
I'll save you.
Baby is a real hero.
I'm here. Everything's under control. Phew. Done.
Thanks, baby. Wow, amazing. I want more. Now it's time to try the cardboard slide. Clear the way! I'm coming down! Totally awesome. Our turn.
Hey.
No, I don't want to. I get it. A fluffy floaty will give Mira some courage. A headband will work great. I cut it and slide bendable curlers inside. Trim one half. Glue the ends together. Let's bring back this detail. I shape a beak from Play-Doh. Perfect, it's a little duck. I twist chenille wire into feet. And I'll make wings and a fluffy tail out of bright yellow ones. I'll put a cute bow on its head. Absolutely adorable. This will help her feel brave. Wow, so cool. Going down with this floaty is not scary at all. Mira, slide.
Hey.
Okay, I'll try it. Woohoo! Sliding with a duck is way more fun. Yay, you did it!
Wow.
Hey!
Huh?
Attention, attention. Here comes my super jump.
Watch out! Looks like Mira didn't hear it.
Get ready for my signature move.
Oh!
Hey, what's up? Cute duck.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really comfy to float with. The girls need a break. I'll make some loungers for them. Need corrugated cardboard. I cut a long rectangle and split it in half with a craft knife. Wow, it's so bendy. How do I shape it? Oh right, curlers. I add glue and secure the sides. Slice the rest of the pieces into little bits. Now we've got legs. Time for something soft. We need something soft.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I said. Mira, step aside.
Whoa.
There's a whole mountain of fabric here. Let's use this one. Mira picked cozy plush. I cut it into pieces. Glue it onto the seats with a hot glue gun. I lay out fluffy pillows, just perfect for my fuzzy dolls. So cool, I'll carry everything.
Woohoo!
Careful, I'm getting dizzy. Yay, time to sunbathe. These loungers are so snuggly.
Wow.
Phew, it's kind of warm out here. It's a sunny day. And my skin is so delicate. Help me. Oh, one sec. What are we looking for in the pool? Sunscreen.
Whoa.
This will protect the Huntrix. Wow, thanks. We rub SPF on our arms, gently working it into the skin. Don't forget about your face. That feels nice. Legs need protection too. Wow, awesome. Now it's perfect. What's going on in the pool? Zoe is going wild. I'm a shark, fear me.
Just don't eat us. Actually, I wouldn't mind lunch myself.
Huh? Somebody said lunch?
Ahem, ahem, roomy.
Huh? What happened?
We're hungry.
Yeah.
Shark, food, yum yum. But we didn't bring any snacks. Think of something.
Hey.
I've already got the paper dough ready. Then I won't get in the way. I roll it out with a pin. Round the edges with a marker. I squeeze out cardboard sauce and spread it with a spatula. Let's add extra cheese. Mamma mia! The topping will be paper too. The secret to great pizza is plenty of everything. I slice it with a round cutter. Bellissimo! Boys, this is for you.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Dig in.
So tasty.
The smell reached the girls. Is that pizza?
Whoa.
Can I have a slice too? How sweet.
No, there's barely enough.
We'll teach them to share. Zoe, where are you going? To get us food.
Yeah.
What is Zoe planning? Target locked in. Time to grab that pizza. Sweet. On the hook already. What a catch. Yay, I did it.
Yummy.
Oh, no time to eat now. The plane just landed. Yay, we're on the island. It feels a bit empty here. We're throwing a party. I need 2 bottles. Wrap one in cardboard and the other in faux fur. Perfect. I trim the edges with paper cutouts. Attach the speakers. Something's missing. Oh, stars. And for the fluffy speaker, bows. Even the locals got curious. But where are the boys?
What? We're on our way. Woohoo! I'm not sure of that. Go for it. If you say so. Ladies, I'm good. Yes.
Hey, why are they carrying Genu off?
I've got fans now. But where's baby? A palm tree got stuck on the slide. I didn't want to drop into the sand. I'm officially this island's K-pop idol.
Time to start the party. These guys definitely won't get bored on vacation. And you hit like and subscribe to the channel.